So very good morning. Welcome to Sakala Vijay YouTube channel. So very good morning, Murthy, Amarnath, Amant. Okay, Sarat Chandra, Vaishnavi, Vital, Vamshi Krishna Yadav, Swati Singh, Pallavi, Shankar Narayana, right, Dinesh Reddy, Avinash, Madhu, Swati Singh. Okay, welcome. Right, Hemant Kumar. Okay. Now, right, 1 minute. Let me start. Okay, planes. So planes, okay, in 3D geometry actually the leftover topic is the planes. So today I will discuss the plane. Okay, so now in the planes, first point, a surface is called a plane, if all points okay of a straight line joining any two points a surface is called a plane if all the points of a straight line joining any two points on the surface lie on it. That means actually we can call it as a plane surface or surface also. Surface is called a plane if all the points of a straight line joining any two points should lie on that surface itself only. So that means, for example, the plane will be, generally we take rectangular shape. This is a plane, say alpha, for example. You take a straight line joining the 2 points, say A point and B point. That means all the points which lie on this line should lie in this surface. Then this surface is known as plane. That means plane is nothing but a surface. This is the test. Test whether the surface is a plane or not. This is called plane. So now, second point. So that means in the last class we have discussed the vector equation of a straight line. Similarly, vector equation of a plane also. But now we are dealing with the Cartesian equation of a plane and their properties we are going to talk about today's session. So that means second one, any first degree equation in x comma y comma z represents represents a plane. Any first degree equation in x comma y comma z represents a plane. Next, third point. The equation of the plane equation of the plane equation of the plane in the general form in the general form in the general form is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0, where a comma b comma c are the direction ratios of a normal to the plane. And this a does not equal to b does not equal to c does not equal to 0, or we can write like this also: a square plus b square plus c square does not equal to 0. That means at least one of the a, b, c should not be equal to 0. Then ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 represents equation of the plane. This is called general form of the equation of the plane. So provided the condition here, a does not equal to, b does not equal to, c does not, it may be, sorry, here a may be, c may be equal, but they should not be equal to 0. So a comma b comma c does not equal to 0, or a square plus b square plus c square does not equal to 0. Simultaneously a, b, c will not become 0. So that is the equation of the plane. Whereas this a, b, c are the direction ratios of the normal. Normal means perpendicular, the perpendicular to the plane. So that means now, for example, you take a plane like this. This also we can say plane, no problem. This is a plane. But a rectangle, any shape, this is a plane only. For example, take a normal like this. Normal means perpendicular. This may be so perpendicular to this one. So this is called normal. This equation of the plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. This also Cartesian equation, also we can name it Cartesian equation. Cartesian equation of a plane. So now here important point, a comma b comma c are the DRs, direction ratios of normal to the plane. That means a, b, c are the direction ratios of this normal. Next, third point. Normal form. We have discussed general form, now normal form. What is the normal form of a plane? So let us have a discussion on this one. Thank you. Right. Normal form. The equation of a plane which is at a distance of p units from origin and whose normal has the direction cosines. This is LMN is LX plus MY plus NZ equal to P. This is called normal form. Normal form means this P represents distance from origin to this plane is P, whereas L comma M comma N are, here important thing you remember, first point, P is the perpendicular distance from origin to, say, equation 1. This is to equation 1. Next, this L comma M comma N are the direction cosines of a normal to equation 1. So these are the important points we need to be remembered. So Maulana Sheikh, already functions has been completed. Okay, only just few chapters are leftover chapters now I have been discussing. Okay, this is called normal form. Now the fourth point. The perpendicular distance from the origin to the plane AX plus BY plus CZ plus D is equal to 0 is given by modulus of D upon root of A square plus B square plus C square. It is just like a straight line only. It is similar to the straight line. The perpendicular distance from origin to the line AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0 is mod C by root of A square plus B square. Here in addition to A square plus B square we get C square. Just like similar to the straight lines itself. So that means actually we can take a plane like this. For example, this is the plane. Plane is the three-dimensional figure. So now we need to find out the perpendicular distance. This is a perpendicular distance. Say something here. Perpendicular distance. So this origin, say A point and B point, some 2 points are there in the on the plane. So this distance D, the D is given by something, say capital D. This capital D is given by the perpendicular distance from origin is 0 comma 0. Is this OA length is given by mod D by root of A square plus B square plus C square. So very good morning. Next, fifth point. The perpendicular distance from P of x1 comma y1 comma z1. This is the point in the space P x1 comma y1 comma z1. The perpendicular distance from P of x1 comma y1 comma z1 to the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 is given by so modulus of, in the place of this left hand side, put x for x1, y for y1, z for z1. You get modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d upon root of a square plus b square plus c square. It is just like the length of the perpendicular or perpendicular distance from x1 comma y1 to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That is modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c upon root of a square plus b square. If you remember that one, same that can be applied to the even plane equation also. So okay, I don't do detail. So now this is the formula. So now sixth point. Equation of the plane passing through the point x1 comma y1 comma z1 and having direction ratios a comma b comma c for its normal is given by, so that means this is the equation of the plane. So we need to find out equation of the plane. Okay, thank you. So passing through the point, you say like this: a x1 comma y1 comma z1 and it's a normal. Direction ratios of normal is a comma b comma c. Then equation we need to find out. So how to find out means, that is a times here x minus x1 plus b times y minus y1 plus z times c times z minus z1 equals to 0. Okay, c times z minus z1 equals to 0. Sir, you said you will explain the previous MSET papers. What is the name use of previous papers? That won't appear. Only concept is one better thing. So you learn the concept, you can do any problem. Okay, Lokesh Kolisetti. I don't know who is Hi Babai. Okay, a times of x minus x1 plus b times of y minus y1 c times of z minus z1 is equal to 0. So that means equation of the plane passing through the point x1 comma y1 and having direction ratios a comma b comma c for its normal is. So let us discuss one examples. Formulas chadavali. So these formula is enough. Whatever important formula that I have been discussing since for 5 months, since 3 months. Understood now? No, it's not a 10th class, it's a MSET class. 10th class will be one more thing I would like to inform you. So yesterday on 5th September onwards I started the classes for the 10th class children also. So because keeping you of this pandemic situation, critical situation, I wanted to even support the 10th class children also. I have started the classes. Today by 10:30 the live session is there. So you can inform and you can share to your brothers or sisters or your friends or your relatives. But this class is meant for absolutely only MSET point of view questions or JEE mains questions. I don't know TRC, Mr. TRC. Let it be concentrate on the class first of all. Right. I am discussing important concepts only. So let us discuss one example now. Let us discuss one example here. One example. Equation of the plane passing through 1 comma 2 comma 3 and having DRs for its normal passing through and having DRs 2 comma 3 comma 4 for its normal is. This is the question we need to find out. Yes, if you go through the each chapter, first part 1 is the formulas only, part 1 or part 2. You can go through them. Now the solution we can write like this, A of. So that means actually the direction cosines. This is A comma B comma C. So whereas this is x1 comma y1 comma z1. So required equation is A of 2 of x minus 1 plus 3 of x y minus 2 plus 4 of z minus 3 equals to 0. So now therefore 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 2 minus 6 minus 12 equals to 0. Therefore 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 20 equals to 0. This is the required equation. So like this we can find out. Prasanna, absolutely correct. Prasanna, absolutely correct. Now the seventh concept. Equation of the plane passing through the point x1 y1 z1 and parallel to the lines whose direction ratios are A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 is the equation of the plane passing through the point x1 y1 z1 and parallel to the lines whose direction ratios are A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2. This can be written as a matrix form, so we can write like this: x minus x1 y minus y1 z minus z1. Here write down A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 that equals to 0. So if you simplify this one, you get the form ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. You will get it. So example later I will discuss. So okay. Eighth formula. These formulae you need to remember. Right. Equation of the plane passing through the points x1 y1 comma z1 x2 comma y2 comma z2 and parallel to the line whose DRs are A1 B1 C1 is. So that is x minus x1 x minus x2 y minus y1 z minus z1. Next this is x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1 and next write down A1 B1 C1. The determinant equals to 0. This is det matrix, the determinant of the matrix. Right. Yes. Duppala Pravalika. I starting for even 10th class children also, because they are facing a lot of problem. So that's why I started. Yesterday I decided on 5th September. Okay. Even I would like to do the videos for even diploma engineering mathematics for diploma students, for engineering students also. Shortly that may be uploaded. Next, equation of a plane So better you watch this video for 2 or 3 times so that you can remember, because the examination are so near. So that means actually better to go through this video for 2 or 3 times. Definitely I will continue now. Definitely I will continue. Don't worry. The equation of a plane passing through the three non-collinear points. Non-collinear points. Collinear non-collinear points x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, and x3, y3, z3 is x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1. Determinant equal to 0. So that means now we can observe, we can notice that what do we observe, that in order to find out the equation of a plane, we need 3 independent geometrical conditions. Yes, why not? I will teach even JE advanced also, but after completion of the, so now uh, after completion of this Eamcet session, I will start mains followed by the advanced. Okay, this year only I started. Actually previously I started for intermediate videos. This year totally I am going to complete Eamcet all the chapters. It will be applicable for next year, next coming days also. That's why no more extension for the Eamcet classes. Totally this year only I will shall complete the Eamcet. So now after that I go for even JE mains followed by the JE advanced. But keeping for 10th class children, I received the so many requisitions from the children, so I started for the 10th classes also. But moreover, after this, even I would like to start for diploma mathematics and as well as for engineering mathematics. Right. Next, very important concept, this need to be remembered, all of you remember. So can a plane make intercepts on the respected x-axis and y-axis and z-axis? So right, this absolutely free channel, you need not pay single pi. So if you are interested, you can super chat, you can make use of by that you can contribute something, that's all. But we don't charge anything, it's absolutely free. Now you can share to your friends too, for your relatives, your brother, your sister. It will be useful anywhere, not only for Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, it's applicable for even NCERT syllabus also. I am going to so complete in the during 10th class classes. Right, Avinash, I know you are our volunteers, definitely you will do. Today only, today by 10:30 I have 10th class session, so at least I need more than 200 people need to watch, but you need to take that care of that one now today. Based on that I will decide whether the class will continue or I go for even diploma students or engineering students. See, if a plane cuts x-axis at a comma 0 comma 0, y-axis at b of 0 comma b comma 0, and z-axis at c of 0 comma 0 comma c. Then this a is called x-intercept. A is called x-intercept. B is called y-intercept. And C is called z-intercept. Just like straight line only. Okay, Ramya sister, Dinesh Reddy. Okay, nice. Okay. Right. First you share it. Now actually the figure will be like this. Say this is x-axis, this is y, this is z, this is origin. Suppose the plane cuts like this. This is the origin. Say A, this is B, this is C. A comma 0 comma 0, this is 0 comma B comma 0. The C point will be 0 comma 0 comma C. This OA is x-intercept, OB y-intercept, OC is z-intercept. So okay. So first Abdul, concentrate on the class. Right. Eleventh concept. Intercept form. So far we have discussed different forms of the plane, of which the first one is the general form of the plane and next one is the normal form. Now intercept form. What is the intercept form? That means the equation of the plane having x-intercept A, y-intercept B and z-intercept C is given by x by A plus y by B plus z by C is equal to 1. Yes, all of you concentrate the class. Okay, and share to your friends. Continuity, definitely Jaya Vishnu, evening session continuity I will take today. I will give the introduction of the continuity today only. Now the equation of the plane having x-intercept A, y-intercept B and z-intercept C is, that is x upon A plus y upon b plus z upon c equal to 1. This is also called intercept form. Intercept form. That means in the examination you may be asked to find out x-intercept, y-intercept and z-intercept of a plane. Okay, so that means the intercept form of a plane is given by x upon a plus y upon b, z upon c is equal to 1, where a is the x-intercept, b is the y-intercept, c is the z-intercept. That means we can write like this now. Intercept form will be x by x-intercept plus y by y-intercept plus z by z-intercept equal to 1. This is the intercept form. This is the intercept form. Yes. Yes, Suma. Right. Karthik. Chakri Mandela. Now 12th point. 12th point. Okay, let us consider general form of the plane, that is ax plus by plus cz equals to d. Divide both sides by d, where d does not equal to 0. Divide both sides by d. So now that implies we get ax plus by plus cz divided by d or upon d equals to d upon d. So now we can split the terms. Ax by d plus by d. Sorry. You consider like this better now. I did mistake, something mistake. Wait. Not a mistake. Plus d is equal to 0. This you write on minus d. Okay. Divide by minus d. Divide by minus d. Ax by minus d cz by minus d equals to 1. For our convenience, this can be written x upon minus d by a plus y upon minus d upon b z upon minus d by c equals to 1. This is the actually, we can write like this, we can conclude intercepts of, say this is 1, of 1 are x-intercept minus d by a, y-intercept minus d by b, z-intercept minus d by c. That's all. Sir, can you tell me the important chapters? So don't go for important chapters and like that in any Eamcet examination or any entrance examination. Go through all the concepts. I already completed the weightage on the maths. Watch Kandakunda Manoj in the playlist that will be available and go through it. Right. So let us discuss one example now. Intercepts intercepts made by 3x plus 5y plus 3z equal to 15 on coordinate axis. Coordinate axis R. This is the question. Okay. Okay, Akash Babu, I would like to ask one question to you. How long have you been attending my classes? How long have you been attending my classes? First respond in the chat box so that I will interact about, sir, I also need main chapters. I will discuss with you. Right. You may be regular today onwards, but what happened? Day after tomorrow or it will be going to be closed, Eamcet sessions. Sir, what tool you are using for writing? So that I am using, that is pen itself only, screen, this digital screen and this digital pen. Okay, now here given 3x plus 5y plus 3z equal to 15. Now x-intercept equals to, it is actually, if you bring this side minus 15, that becomes minus d by a only, but here minus d by a. So this can be written like this: 3x plus 5y plus 3z minus 15 equals to 0. This is a, this is b, this is c, this is d. So that means minus of minus plus 15 by 3 is 5. Y-intercept minus d by b. So 15 by 5, whose value is 3. Z-intercept equal to minus d by c, that is 15 by 3, that is also 5. So like that we can find out. So now the 13th point. 13th point, right. These are very important now. This is area of the triangle, formed by the plane x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1 with, first point, x-axis, y-axis, x-axis and y-axis is of mod AB. Second point, with y-axis, z-axis both is of mod BC. Z-axis and x-axis of mod CA. Okay. Continue the classes. So let us discuss one example now. The area of the triangle formed by the plane two x plus 3y plus 5z is equal to 30 with first point x-axis, y-axis, second y-axis, z-axis, third z-axis, x-axis. So the area of the triangle, sir, know how to cover all lessons. Dinesh Reddy, where are you actually? Are you belong to 10th or yesterday in JEE main the same question was repeated which you have discussed in permutation, sir. Very good, very good. Mother, I think so. Mother, rank of the mother 309. First I respected, we need to give the respect to the mother, our mother. I think that question happened. Okay. You are 10th, right? So first, regarding this question, let us find out x-intercept and y-intercept, z-intercept of this plane we need to find out. So that means actually solution you need to follow like this. First let us find out A, that is 30 upon 2. Directly I will write 15. This is y-intercept B, that is 30 upon 3 is 10. C, z-intercept 30 upon 5 is 6. Now the first question. First question is delta 1, say that is area of the triangle of mod AB. So of multiplied by 15 into 10 to 5 ja 75 square units. 75 square units. Swati Singh, absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Second, delta 2 of modulus of BC of mod B is 10, 3, 30 square units. Third, say delta 3 of modulus of CA of 15 times and 6, 3, 45 square units. So you can find out like this, right? Okay, Kartik, sir, I answered first. Okay, congrats. Okay, Suma, Chandrika, right. So now, so today you have the evening session. Evening session I discuss continuity because I need to discuss the continuity also. At least if I cover the basic concepts also, you may attempt the questions in the examination. So that today by 4:30 you will be having the class for I will discuss continuity, but it will be continued tomorrow. It will be continued. Planes will be continued, and level 1, level 2 problems on vectors also will be continued. Okay. Thank you. One and all. Thank you. So all of you share to your friends. Today by 10:30 special class is there for 10th class children. So just you help them, you suggest them. Thank you, Chandralekha. Who is Mr. Swati? Don't use such words, Mr. Gugulatu. That's not a good. Good. That's not a good. Okay, later Organica. Now you may be new. After completion of this session, actually special WhatsApp group will be formed. Because this WhatsApp group is meant for 2020 Eamcet group, that will be continued because okay, but new WhatsApp groups will be formed soon. I will inform you, don't worry, stay tuned. So don't forget to share to our videos. Right, thank you, bye bye, see you.